My name is Arushi Gupta and I'm studying Masters in Robotic Systems Engineering at Ervitiha Aachen. I'm a mechanical engineer. I finished my bachelor's in mechanical engineering at BITS Pilani, India. And after that, I worked as a research assistant for a year at a lab in UK. I found out about my interest in robotics during my bachelor's when I had the opportunity to specialize by doing a minor in robotics and automation. So that's when I found out I have interest in it. To further understand about my interest, I did a bachelor thesis in the same field. It was in automation. And after that, I had the opportunity to work to do an exchange semester at Ervitiha Aachen, and that is when I found out about the robotic systems engineering course. I would describe Robosys in 3 words as fun, active, and challenging. I would say that working with the professors and my peers and the seniors makes me feel right at home. Right from the start, I have been comfortable with everyone because everyone's so welcoming and approachable. You have several opportunities to interact with your professors at events or in the classroom, and they're very approachable. You can always write them an email. As far as your peers are concerned, you have so many electives that overlap with so many other courses that you can meet students from other courses, your seniors as well from the same course. So I feel it's very comfortable and it's a community. You're right, it's a family. You're right at home. The one thing that stood out about this course for me is that it's so up to date. Like each professor is always updating their course, trying to bring it up to what's happening in the industry, what research is going on. And in some courses, you don't even have textbooks, you have the research papers that we are studying. So that stands out for me, that you're not doing what has been done several years before, and then you need to work in order to gain experience. You obviously have to do that, that's irreplaceable, but you also learn things that are currently happening, so that stands out for me. The best piece of advice I can give to anyone coming to Ervitiha is to have managed expectations. If you start with the idea that you're going to accomplish everything the minute you arrive, you are not going to succeed, and you're obviously going to put that extra stress on yourself because you set your goals too high. So the idea is not to set goals low, it's to manage them, that you know in the first semester what you can do, what's practical, and what you would like to do. Maybe you can push yourself there. So to give it as a more realistic example would be that you cannot find a job in your first semester, do 6 courses, and then travel. You have to know that I have to set priorities each semester. Maybe this semester I just figure out how the courses are, so I focus on studying. Maybe the next semester I figure out how to get a HEVI. Then after that, I think about the other things I had in mind. But if you arrive with the idea that you are going to perfectly balance everything, and right from the first semester you're going to be this perfect student that is just adding extra stress and is only pushing you back from achieving what you actually can. Yes, 100%. If you from day one channelize your efforts into building a CV, like your skills in research, then you can definitely get one. And even if you are not perfect, there is always a chance through your thesis, through your research project, to test out if you are interested in research and to build the skills you need to do a PhD. So I think yes, it's possible. My plan is to pursue research further, and I want to do a PhD. I think that robotics and automation has a lot of scope in the industry, especially with Industry 4.0 and human-robot collaboration in industries. I feel that is where I can contribute with my skill set, so I want to pursue research in one of those fields. For me, what stood out in the curriculum is that how flexible the course is. You have a bunch of your core courses which cover almost all fields, but you can choose your electives to create your own specialization, whether it's mechanical or electrical or computer science or management. You can move your electives to whichever semester you want. You can try out the courses. You have a lot of opportunity to do that, and that flexibility is something I feel is very essential for an engineer who's trying to find their niche. Being a woman in engineering at Air-Vatiha is a very positive experience. I have the scholarship called Women in Engineering, which supports me financially. It has enabled me to actually pursue this master's, so I'm very grateful for it. Apart from that, you have several other opportunities for women. At Air-Vatiha, there are career building programs, there are talks that pertain to the issues women face in the university. The collection of coordinators at International Academy is women, so every time you have a question, you can always approach them. When it comes to studies, you have so many groups of women. From LinkedIn to WhatsApp, there are so many groups that you can be a part of and talk about your experience being a woman. There is so much support. My experience is very positive.